For sale, 1968 California Special Mustang. C code 289 two-barrel, automatic trans, power steering, disc brakes on the front. One repaint, the original color. It was done about 6 or 7 years ago. It's not perfect, but looks okay. 15-inch American racing wheels. Gaps are all good. Front rear bumpers were replaced recently. The side marker lights and reflectors were replaced recently. Engine compartment's ugly. Probably the original engine, more than likely, since it's all stock looking with the two-barrel carburetor, cast iron intake, stock valve covers. It does have headers and new exhaust system on it. No rust on this car anywhere. And the only BONDO I can find is down low, right rear quarter panel, this area down in here. Down low. When you look inside the trunk, you can see there's repair there at one time. Carpet's brand new. Front and back seats need to be reupholstered. So they're just hanging in there, they're not bolted in. There's new door panels, new headliner. Dashpad was replaced recently. Windshield was replaced recently. Original keys. Probably needs a tune-up. It's been parked for a while. Needs some minor electrical work. Some of the wiring needs to be hooked up. Underneath it looks really nice. Front frame rails don't even have jack marks on them at all. Torque boxes are good. Floor pans are good. No rust repairs ever done. No rust on the car anywhere. Sold in Los Angeles when brand new, Coverly Ford. It's always been in Southern California. Last year registered, 2019. Has a clear California title. All these lenses were replaced recently also. Rear leaf springs with a reverse eye. They were changed recently. Also the RCD Classic Bilstein Shocks, front and rear. Front coil springs were replaced recently. Exhaust system. Tires are old. Rear frame rails are perfect. Gas tank was replaced a while back. It's got the original fog lights. It's had a weld repair on the shock tower there. Got the console. Fog lamp switch is over there. It's hard to find any muscle car 50 plus years old that doesn't have at least a little bit of rust or rust repair, even California cars. There's other door panels, some new parts come with it, the armrests. You can see that rear quarter panel where it was worked near the bottom section. Showing 37,000 miles on the odometer. Numbers are nice and straight, so that could be original mileage, but I don't know the entire history on the car. Usually when they go over 100,000, the numbers are not straight across like that. Also on the door, there's no cracks on the three screws that hold the driver's latch in. There's the original door tag, needs to be re-riveted back on. There's a Deluxe Marti Report. Lime gold paint, sold in LA when brand new. If you have any questions, give me a call, 714-757-8437. I've got a bunch of pictures I can send you. Thank you.